So guys, I bought a car. I'm just so in love with this and I'm so excited to share with you today. Hey guys, it's me Minori and my pet friend Bear Max. Welcome back to my channel. Hi! So as I just showed you guys, I got a car. And why did I get this car? It's actually not a normal car. It's actually a camping car. It's got a table, you can fold a sofa and make it into a bed, and it's just so interesting. Is it only me? I just love camping cars. And today I'm thinking of remaking the car into a crafting car slash craft shop. Like, it's been my dream to have like a moving crafting station with me while traveling. I also thought that I could double it up as like a miniature craft shop and like sell crafts as I go, which is just a dream and I don't know if I can make that happen, but I want to keep on dreaming because that's what dreams are for. So guys, this is my dream car and I'm just so excited to make this happen. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Remaking a car into a crafting station slash craft shop. So let's get started. Okay, so before anything, let's take a good look at the car. I literally just got this car, so I haven't even opened it myself yet. Okay, how do I open this? There's like so many different keys, and each key is different for every door. Oh! Ta-da! Yeah, this is how it looks. She just got up here by herself. So guys, welcome to my car. I don't know all the features yet, but I'm gonna try my best to show it to you guys. So first off, the table. And this is a foldable table, so you could like lift it up, press like the buttons over here. Oh gosh, this is embarrassing. Okay, finally got it to work. And there we have a table. Oh, by the way, this car is from like 1970. Oh, my hand from all the grease. But I mean, like a sofa and a table inside a car. It's just so mind-blowing. I don't know, I think it's so fascinating. So here's the table, let me put it back. And guys, here's the sofa. There's also like a little storage right here. I mean, you can't put in much, but it's still some storage space. I'm not too sure what to put in here. A footage of my cute puppy. And apparently you can turn the sofa into a bed. Let me see if I can figure it out. So if you lift it up, there's some more storage down here. That was super easy. All you had to do was like pull it out. I mean, I have to say, this is a pretty nice sized bed. What do you think, Lovey? I'm standing straight up and it's not hitting my head. It's just so comfortable in here. Even Lovey agrees. Don't you? Oh wow, this is a whole new different world. And over here we have a fridge. I mean, like, look at the color. It's mint green. I love this retro-ish vibe. And by the way, this fridge is a brand new fridge. I mean, I have to say, I love the whole vibe of this car. Like the colors and aesthetics and everything. It's just so pretty. By the way, it was a 65 years old man who customized this car. He's a great interior designer. And back to this fridge, let's see how it looks inside. The reveal. Okay. So this is the upper compartment. And down here, I mean, we have a legit fridge. It's a pretty nice size. Maybe I could fit some drinks here. Everything looks nice and clean. But let's be real, to be honest, I'm probably not going to use it as a fridge. Plus, like the whole electricity and everything, it's just going to be really hard to manage. Well, maybe sometimes, but most of the time, I'm not going to use it as a fridge. Instead, I'm probably going to just use it as storage. Like I said in the beginning, I want to make this car into a crafting car. So most likely, I'm going to be putting my crafting supplies inside here. And guys, you want to check out the front? Oh my gosh. Like, look at the steering wheel. This is definitely like a piece of art. And guys, it's a stick and I have no clue how to drive this. We've got some drinking cup holders right here. And there's so many buttons that I have no clue how to use. Is this where you put your CD? I think so. And it has a USB port. So I'm guessing this part is like kind of new but kind of old. Look at the miles. And I really don't know what this is, but I don't think I should touch it for now. Let's check out what's inside here. Oh wait, a lot more stuff than I imagined. I mean, what is this supposed to be? Oh, this is supposed to be like a fan. Yeah, this car actually has no air conditioner or a heater. So there's something that I forgot to tell you guys. This car, I cannot legally drive it yet. It's also because I don't have a driving license in Japan. I do have one in America, but not in Japan yet. But that's not the point. Since that car is like a really old car from overseas, it needs to get the engine fixed and checked, and that process apparently takes at least 3 months. So until then, it's staying in my yard. I'm also gonna get some more tweaks done. Like, it's so old, it doesn't have an air conditioner. And it's like almost impossible to use a car in Japan without an air conditioner or a heater. I also want to like install some curtain rods, just some more stuff here and there. And that also has like a 3-month waiting list. So just explaining before you guys wonder why I'm not actually driving the car. It's just not drivable yet, and hopefully I can make it work next year. In the meantime, I'm probably gonna use it as like an extra crafting space. Some crafts I just don't want to do it in my room, like you know, like resin or some kind of paint. I just don't like the fumes inside the house. So the car will be like the perfect place to do those projects. So I'm gonna still be using it, but just not really like on the road yet. Oh, a Bluetooth speaker. They gave me this as a gift. They're so sweet. So a lot of random stuff. And guys, look at this. This kind of made me excited. Like I haven't seen one of this since I was like 5. It's like that window roller. It's so nostalgic. These old features are just so fun. And this thingy over here, you kind of like turn it and open the window like so. And the chairs are surprisingly very comfortable and clean. A lot of these old cars usually have like really messed up chairs, but this one looks really, really clean. No scratches, no nothing. I'm impressed. But wait, we're not done yet. So if you use this stick and put it over here, and when you twist it, like this is so amazing. Plus it also came with this, and I have no clue what this is. Whoa. What in the world? Like it also came with a tent? I mean, I didn't even know about this. It's not even part of the car, but they also gave us a tent, which is so amazing. Really? I'm just like lost with words right now. I mean, we could definitely go camping now. But oh my gosh, guys, I don't know how to put this back. Anyways, there's also more space on the roof to put more stuff. If you move this mattress away, there's this clean hardwood flooring where I think I could put like my crafts here and turn this part into like a little store, like a moving shop to sell my crafts if I want to. I just think there's so many things I could do with this car. And it doubles up as like a small bed. And it's big enough for me to sleep sideways. As a matter of fact, I could probably just like turn this into a little bed for me to sleep in. After checking out all the features, I actually love this car even more now. And let's move on. So guys, let's make this car into a crafting car. So I actually want to put like real curtain rods up there with real curtains, but it's gonna take a while to do that. In fact, there's like a 3-month waiting list. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be using these. It's just a temporary solution, so don't worry. So the curtains look something like this. It has like these cute olive patterns and like these section things. So these aren't like the best curtains. It was honestly very cheap, but I think it's gonna be really cute. I am going to change them to like real curtains later, so for now, I think this is the best option. It gives me some privacy and it's really cute. Okay, next I want to get a new table. Like, I love this table, don't get me wrong. I'm definitely going to use it when I'm actually on the streets or something. But for crafting, as a crafting bus, she's a little bit too high. Like, it goes up way too high around my chest. I actually got a different table. Okay, I'm so happy. It's actually the perfect size. So it's not too big, not too small, the perfect height, and it's foldable so I could always just like collapse it and put it on the floor if I don't want to use it. So it probably doesn't really take up space as well. Okay, next up, I think this space is perfect to put a pegboard. And this is from IKEA. I do want to check if it actually fits. And I think there's enough space to put it up. And I'm going to finish it off with these little tools. I honestly don't know how to use these, but I thought it looks really cool. Since it's a really tiny space, the more storage, the merrier. So pegboard, check. Oh my gosh, guys, I need to show you this. It's kind of sprinkling right now, but there's a rainbow. I haven't seen a rainbow for such a long time. I mean, that's a really nice surprise. But the bad news is, it's kind of sprinkling right now. So I need to keep on moving. That's so pretty though. So I got all these like little storage that I could kind of like build it up and put it on top of each other, which I kind of first thought of putting in the fridge. Does it fit? It fits like quite perfectly. Like, look at the fit. It looks like it was made for this. Like, seriously, I didn't even measure it. What are the chances, guys? And for down below, I could also fit this in right here and maybe one more on the top. So now we have a lot of storage space to put in all the crafting supplies. Okay, let's take all these tapes off. I'm just amazed with everything. Looking good. Next. And I had to stop here because it was starting to rain and the sun was setting down.
The next day.
And guys, it's day 2. It's been raining on and off, so let's hurry while the sun is still out. So it currently looks something like this. Okay, let me move the table because it's kind of hard to see. I love how you could just like fold this table and put it away. Anyways, last night I installed this cabinet. It's like the perfect width to squeeze inside here, so I could just like roll it out. And look at how much more storage I have now. It also has a hole right here, so I could put like tissues inside here and use it as a tissue case. And it has a stopper so it won't move while I'm driving. So guys, I think we're almost done and now it's time to decorate. My favorite part. So first off, I got some alphabet magnets. I think it's gonna go great with this fridge. It's got like that retro-ish vibe that I love and would be perfect for this car. Now onto the back. So I want to make it into like a little bed. So first I'm going to put like a blanket. Oh my gosh, this is so soft and fluffy. I want you guys to touch it. Feels so nice. And some cushions. For the cushions, I got this, and this. So I'm gonna put this right here, this on the other side, and this one in the center. I got warm beigey ones to match this car, and the middle one to add like a pop of color. I mean, this is actually pretty comfortable. I guess I could just like come down here and rest if I wanna like get away from life. So the back part, check. A little mirror that I found. I think it looks really cute. And maybe some lights to brighten up the room. And some more fairy lights. And this actually just came right now. Like the delivery man just came right now. So I've got some lights over here and some on the bottom. And if I put the lights on, it looks something like this. And I love it. It's got that really cozy vibe. And next, I also got this portable fan. And I chose the same color as the fridge. I mean, it's portable, it's wireless, so I could just like bring it around with me and put it anywhere that I want. I mean, like I said, this car doesn't have an air conditioner and it's still really hot and humid here. So I'm gonna need some kind of airflow and I think this one looks so cute. Let me put it here for now. And now it's time to fill up the fridge. You know what? I never thought I would put markers inside a fridge. So that's all the markers for now. Maybe some tape over here. Like, I still want to leave some in my room, so I'm not going to bring all of my collection. And I kind of want to like build it up as I go. I don't know what kind of crafting supplies that I'm actually going to use in here. And maybe some paintbrushes. Some tweezers and tiny tools here. And guys, this is the result. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you guys my car. So here's a foldable desk, which I could always just fold it up and put it aside, or bring it out to make like a small shop. I've got these like olive curtains on, which is temporary, but it's still really cute. And the back. Look at how comfortable it looks. I can literally lay down and take a nap if I want to. The fairy lights add a really great touch. It makes it look very warm and cozy. This is how I see myself crafting or making videos inside here. Oh, that is so cute. So for the extra shelf, I don't really have much in here yet, but I put some sketchbooks over here and the fridge. It's got a lot of storage space. I mean, who'd have thought that a fridge would make a great crafting storage? All the tapes go right here, and on the bottom, I have more than enough markers, and it's actually really easy to like pick out the colors. I've got some more pens, and here I just put my artwork just to symbolize that it's a crafting card, some scissors, a bag, and guys, I think that's it. And guys, I can't forget Fairmax. I'm just really excited that this happened. It's my dream cart, and I can't wait to see what I do with it next. And it's kind of starting to sprinkle again, so I think we're good. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!